Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. Intel working on pmtctl tool for Linux in dealing with platform telemetry data. Intel has submitted 17 patches to the Linux kernel mailing list introducing pmtctl, a new command line tool for accessing platform monitoring technology pmt-telemetry data on x86 systems. The tool will reside in the kernel source tree under tools/arch/x86/pmtctl/ and includes a reusable library and CLI frontend for querying hardware telemetry metrics exposed through sysfs. PMT is already supported in the mainline Linux kernel, and pmtctl aims to provide a convenient interface for developers and system administrators to access platform-specific telemetry data. The implementation adds approximately 7,000 lines of code across library, CLI, scripts, and documentation. The class of 2026 has heard enough about AI. Thanks. Graduating students at multiple universities have expressed strong anti-AI sentiment, booing speakers who promoted artificial intelligence during commencement ceremonies. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt faced jeers at the University of Arizona when he encouraged graduates to shape AI's future, while similar negative reactions met pro-AI remarks by other speakers at different institutions. The backlash reflects growing resistance to AI among students, despite efforts by tech leaders to promote its benefits. Linux is incredible, but these 4 things will frustrate you if you're not ready. Switching from Windows to Linux offers benefits like enhanced privacy and no ads, but users should be aware of several challenges beforehand. Not every Windows application has a suitable Linux alternative, and while options like Wine exist for running Windows software, they don't always work seamlessly. Popular apps such as Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Office, and AutoCAD lack native Linux versions, though web-based alternatives are increasingly available. The transition requires preparation to avoid frustration with software compatibility issues. Buds Link brings advanced earbud controls to Linux desktops. Buds Link is an open-source application that brings advanced earbud controls to Linux desktops, enabling features like battery monitoring, active noise cancellation ANC, ambient sound modes, and gesture customization. The software supports major earbud brands including Apple AirPods, Sony, Samsung Galaxy Buds, and Nothing devices through Linux Bluetooth protocols. Available via Flatpak, Buds Link fills a significant gap in Linux Bluetooth functionality by exposing premium features typically locked behind proprietary mobile apps. I miss network-integrated tools on Windows, so I built a Linux equivalent. NM-Linux v1.3.0 is a free, open-source Linux network management tool inspired by Windows NE Torque Manager, built with Python and PySide 6. It provides a unified GUI for essential network utilities, including TLS/SSL certificate inspection and SMB/NFS browsing. The project is independently developed and not affiliated with Red Hat's Network Manager daemon. Key features include color-coded certificate validity indicators and support for various server protocols. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next update.